ready to cut down a tree. Ladies for the win.
Here we are.
We're now on our journey. Marty, just go to stand.
About here, Nick?
Yeah, right around there, Mark. It's a little. That one's a little crooked on the top, though, Mark.
They're cutting. Now we chop down the Christmas tree.
Everybody tree, the Christmas tree. Now we cut down the Christmas tree so early in
December.
They are still cutting.
Okay, another wrap. Here we go. We could be here all day.
There's no dinner.
You can show them how to do it.
They're not even nearly halfway done. Now they are. We have now just cut our tree. Now it's just weeds with you.
Am I ready?
Yes. Here is the cutting of the Ariema tree, the other Ariema tree. With Uncle Nick cutting and Elizabeth.
Okay. Let Katie help me. Let Katie help. Okay, let Katie help.
Okay, everybody else.
Now it is Uncle Nick, Elizabeth, and Katie.
Elizabeth, let Katie in.
Well, now they've changed to just Katie and Uncle Nick.
Elizabeth, turn around.
Val, are
Look
you
at the
holding
camera.
the top of the tree?
Oh, look at the camera.
Elizabeth,
Don't hold the straw out.
Wave, I'll say hi.
Timber.
Yeah! All right.
The cutting of the Ariema tree has been done.
Oh God, and you mean it's our turn next? Well, now we gotta go over to the big trees.
Yeah, big one. Where's your Christmas?
Let's have a wave, everybody.
And now we are going to the Luongos. To the light tree.
Still running.
How do I stop it?
We gotta get the tree down.
Elizabeth, get out of the way, hon.
Elizabeth, come here.
Come on, honey. You standing in the car? Sorry.
There is the Luongo tree.
I'll catch you. And the Luongos cutting their tree.
What's it? What is it? 6:15 now?
There! All right.
You can go home now.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, I'll see you later.